Assalamualaikum, another quick fix, another quick tutorial on this channel. If you are new on this YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and share it with friend and like this video. In this video, I'll show you when you try to search something on Google and it's saying no internet, there is something wrong with the proxy server or the address is incorrect. So whether you try a different web browser, still you will face this issue, this error. And why this is happening, a quick fix for this: just click on the Windows icon, then type here internet option. You can also open it by clicking on the Windows icon, then search for control panel, or if you have an icon on the desktop, then simply double click on it, and then here you can search for the internet options or go into the network and internet and then click on the internet option. You will get this page. Go into the connection, click on the LAN setting and uncheck these options. Click on the automatically detect settings, click on OK. That's it. That's a quick fix. Now simply open the browser, any browser, then type a website. It will work super fine for you, and this is a quick fix. I hope you like this video really helpful for you. Now please hit the subscribe button and share it with friend. If you have any question in your mind or facing any kind of issue, then just drop your comment. I'll make tutorial on it, and see you in the next video. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.